friends, welcome to my channel Law Students Corner. കേരള ലോ എൻട്രൻസ് എക്സാമിനേഷന് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന കൂട്ടുകാർക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ. കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷം 3 LLB എൻട്രൻസിന് ചോദിച്ച ജനറൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ടോട്ടൽ 200 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അതിൽ 60 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ജനറൽ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഞാൻ 50 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് എന്തൊക്കെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം.
Question number 1. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word given in capitals. Recall. Option A. Call again. Option B. Return. Option C. Remember. Option D. Answer. Correct answer is option C. Remember. Question number 2. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word given in capitals. Ruth. Option A. Wrong. Option B. Path. Option C. Pity. Option D. Rock. Correct answer is option C. Pity. Question number 3. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word given in capitals. Scorn. Option A. Shout. Option B. Insult. Option C. Swear. Option D. Depend. Correct answer is option B. Insult. Question number 4. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word given in capitals. Tail. Option A. Table. Option B. Bail. Option C. Story. Option D. Back. Correct answer is option C. Story. Question number 5. Choose the word nearest in meaning to the word given in capitals. Veil. Option A. Farewell. Option B. Valley. Option C. Fail. Option D. Valet. Correct answer is option A. Farewell. Question number 6. Fill up the correct preposition in question. The principal deals dash the students in a fair manner. Option A. For. Option B. By. Option C. With. Option D. At. Correct answer is option C. With. Question number 7. Fill up the correct preposition in question. The outgoing manager will hand dash charge to his successor. Option A. Over. Option B. Out. Option C. With. Option D. At. Correct answer is option A. Over. Question number 8. Fill up the correct preposition in question. Her request for transfer was turned dash. Option A. Down. Option B. Out. Option C. Up. Option D. In. Correct answer is option A. Down. Question number 9. Fill up the correct preposition in question. Dr. Bausch's work is superior dash Dr. Nayer's in the field of microbiology. Option A. Before. Option B. By. Option C. With. Option D. To. Correct answer is option D. To. Question number 10. Fill up the correct preposition in question. A man is known dash the company he keeps. Option A. By. Option B. For. Option C. With. Option D. At. Correct answer is option A. By. Question number 11. Choose the nearest one word from among the alternatives given. Chosen by chance and without any plan or pattern. Option A. Guess. Option B. Random. Option C. Statistics. Option D. Datum. Correct answer is option B. Random. Question number 12. Choose the nearest one word from among the alternatives given. A weak cowardly boy. Option A. Sissy. Option B. Guy. Option C. Lad. Option C. D. Flask. Correct answer is option A. Sissy. Question number 13. Choose the nearest one word from among the alternatives given. A person who has very long experience in a particular job. Option A. Veteran. Option B. Scholar. Option C. Expert. Option D. Unique. Correct answer is option A. Veteran. Question number 14. Choose the nearest one word from among the alternatives given. A person who sees something happen and tell others about it later. A. Spectator. B. Reporter. C. Witness. D. Correspondent. Correct answer is C. Witness. Question number 15. Choose the nearest one word from among the alternatives given. Something that seems to exist in burning sunlight, but it does not really exist. Option A. Imaginary. Option B. Fantasy. Option C. Mirage. Option D. Miracle. Correct answer is option C. Mirage. Question number 16. Fill up the sentence with the most appropriate words from the four choices given. In the beginning, the questions were not forthcoming. People were dashed to ask. Option A. Enthusiastic. Option B. Reluctant. Option C. Courageous. Option D. Wise. Correct answer is option B. Reluctant. Question number 17. Fill up the sentence with the most appropriate words from the four choices given. The excessive burning of fossil fuel and deforestation has led to dash of greenhouse gases. Option A. Destruction. Option B. Inclusion. Option C. Communication. Option D. Concentration. Correct answer is option D. Concentration. Question number 18. Fill up the sentence with the most appropriate words from the four choices given. He was dashed from completing the race as he had injured his foot. Option A. Apologized. Option B. Prevented. Option C. Encouraged. Option D. Overcome. Correct answer is option B. Prevented. Question number 19. Fill up the sentence with the most appropriate words from the four choices given. At school, everybody seemed to be dashed by the thought of examinations. Option A. Enjoyed. Option B. Overcome. Option C. Overwhelmed. Option D. Overturned. Correct answer is option C. Overwhelmed. Question number 20. Fill up the sentence with the most appropriate words from the four choices given. Moral science makes children dash towards the poor. Option A. Consideration. Option B. Considering. Option C. Considerable. Option D. Considerate. Correct answer is option D. Considerate. Question number 21. Identify the meaning of the idiom or phrase from the choices given. Blessing in disguise. Option A. Hidden fact. Option B. Worship properly, you will be blessed. Option C. Something good that is not recognized first. Option D. Change your behavior. Correct answer is option C. Something good that is not recognized first. Question number 22. Identify the meaning of the idiom or phrase from the choices given. Strike while the iron is hot. Option A. Make use of the opportunity. Option B. Iron becomes hot when heated. Option C. When you strike iron, it turns bright. Option D. Don't disbelieve yourself. Correct answer is option A. Make use of the opportunity. Question number 23. Identify the meaning of the idiom or phrase from the choices given. Blood is thicker than water. Option A. Blood donation saves life. Option B. Blood is precious. Option C. Relations are stronger. Option D. When you drink water, it becomes thicker. Correct answer is option C. Relations are stronger. Question number 24. Identify the meaning of the idiom or phrase from the choices given. Rome wasn't built in a day. Option A. Rome was a great culture. Option B. Great things need more time. Option C. Romans captured many countries. Option D. Understand your enemies. Correct answer is option B. Great things need more time. Question number 25. Choose the word correctly spelled. Inaccessible. Correct spelling is inaccessible. Question number 26. Choose the word correctly spelled. Mortuary. The correct spelling is Mortuary. Question number 27. Choose the word correctly spelled. Equilibrium. The correct spelling is Equilibrium. Question number 28. Choose the word correctly spelled. Sophisticated. The correct spelling is Sophisticated. Question number 29. Choose the word correctly spelled. Superintendent. The correct spelling is Superintendent. Question number 30. Choose the word incorrectly spelled. Option A, fracture. Option B, fragile. Option C, fragment. Option D, fragments. Here the incorrectly spelled word is fragments. Question number 31. Choose the word incorrectly spelled. Option A, grammar. Option B, gracious. Option C, graduate. Option D, gramophone. The incorrectly spelled word is option B, gracious. Question number 32. Choose the word incorrectly spelled. Option A, pediatrician. Option B, paralysis. Option C, paraphrase. Option D, parliamentary. The incorrectly spelled word is parliamentary. Question number 33. Choose the word incorrectly spelled. Option A, century. Option B, satellite. Option C, sapphire. Option D, saturation. The incorrectly spelled word here is option A, century. Question number 34. Choose the word incorrectly spelled. Option A, enmity. Option B, enormous. Option C, ensure. Option D, endurance. The incorrectly spelled word here is option D, endurance. Question number 35. A sentence is divided into 4 parts. Choose the incorrect part. Option A, neither of these few guys. Option B, present in the C, classroom was. Option D, involved in the conspiracy. Here the incorrect part is option A, neither of these few guys. Question number 36. A sentence is divided into 4 parts. Choose the incorrect part. Option A, one of the many challenges. Option B, civil service aspirants face. Option C, during the presentation is. Option D, less time and extensive syllabus. Here the incorrect part is option A, one of the many challenge. Question number 37. A sentence is divided into 4 parts. Choose the incorrect part. Option A, most students start their. Option B, preparations without referring their syllabus. Option C, and soon find themselves. Option D, in a no progress zone. Here the incorrect part is option B, preparations without referring their syllabus. Question number 38. A sentence is divided into 4 parts. Choose the incorrect part. Option A, to retain. Option B, information learned. Option C, it is necessary to. Option D, revise regularly. Here the incorrect part is option B, information learned. Question number 39. A sentence is divided into 4 parts. Choose the incorrect part. Option A, as the nature of the UPSC exam. Option B, demand high dynamism and adaptability. Option C, you must use this test to assess the areas. Option D, you can rely or build on and develop. Here the incorrect part is option B, demand high dynamism and adaptability. Question number 40. Choose the appropriate substitute to the word or group of words in capital without changing the meaning. Question. It consists of distinctive works of scientists and philosophers and some unique quotes of them. The capital words are of them. Options A, about them. Option B, by them. Option C, with them. Option D, no error. Here the correct answer is option B, by them. Question number 41. Choose the appropriate substitute to the word or group of words in capital without changing the meaning. Question. Psychology is a highly academic career to begin up, heavy on study, terminology, reading and research. Option A, to begin. Option B, to begin for. Option C, to begin with. Option D, no error. Correct answer is option C, to begin with. Question number 42. Choose the appropriate substitute to the word or group of words in capital without changing the meaning. Question. As much as I wanted to absorb Australian culture, my family also had wanted me to share my Indian culture. Option A, was wanted. Option B, wanted. Option C, has wanted. Option D, no error. Correct answer is option B, wanted. Question number 43. Choose the appropriate substitute to the word or group of words in capital without changing the meaning. Question. During winter, flamingos usually are migrating to India and come to the salt desert in the state of Gujarat. Option A, have been migrating. Option B, have migrated. Option C, migrate. Option D, no error. Correct answer is option C, migrate. Question number 44. Choose the appropriate substitute to the word or group of words in capital without changing the meaning. Question. She became so emaciated that no one recognized her. Option A, became. Option B, has become. Option C, had become. Option D, no error. The correct answer is option C, had become. Question number 45. Pick out the most appropriate word from the choices to fill in the blanks to make the sentence complete. According to some scholars, financial well-being can be the best dash for economic development. Option A, analysis. Option B, strategy. Option C, criterion. Option D, testimony. Correct answer is option C, criterion. Question number 46. Pick out the most appropriate word from the choices to fill in the blanks to make the sentences complete. Some economists believe that the dash goal of development is to increase the living standards of people. Option A, premier. Option B, ultimate. Option C, obvious. Option D, testimony. Correct answer is option B, ultimate. Question number 47. Pick out the most appropriate word from the choices to fill in the blanks to make the sentence complete. Monetary policy is dashed by the central bank of the country. Option A, drafted. Option B, formed. Option C, shaped. Option D, framed. Correct answer is option A, drafted. Question number 48, 49 and 50 are reading passages. After the passage, a question will be asked and 4 options will be provided. You need to pick the correct answer. Now, will you please read it yourself? If you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment box. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to receive notification of new videos. Thank you for watching.